Hey everyone, so welcome back to the channel. My name is Raiz, if you don't know me. I am the owner and the founder of Infinity AI. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the top 5 AI voice solutions that we use and what we implement into other businesses. At the moment, we are currently specializing in the real estate niche, and this is what we've been doing for real estate companies in South Africa and as well as in Dubai. And these top 5 agents are the agents that are currently the hottest on the market at the moment, and which a lot of agencies are currently implementing into the business so that they can increase sales as well as boost efficiency and obviously give their clients a better customer experience on a whole. And so without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to be going over the 5 AI voice agents that are currently increasing productivity. So on the whole, these voice agents are transforming how businesses are communicating, and with the power of artificial intelligence, there are innovative solutions that can vary from a range of tasks. They can also streamline processes and enhance customer experiences. So I'm going to jump straight into the first use case, which is a lead qualification agent. So what is an AI lead qualification agent? So just to make note, all these agents are built on an NPL, which is a natural language processor. They also have machine learning built into them as well. So on a whole, just to round off what a lead qualification agent is, this type of agent is. This is an agent where you get a lead that comes in via the lead form. It will then go through all the lead's information. It will then categorize the lead. It will then give the lead a call, ask it a couple of questions. These questions are typically what the business would qualify the leads with. And this is technically what this agent does for you. So instead of having someone call up a lead, you will then have the lead agent, the AI lead agent do the call up for you. And this normally happens within a couple of minutes of the lead submitting a form. So some core functions, so it automates leads. It collects data and it does an analysis. It does lead scoring, it does lead segmentation, and it does seamless handoff to sales. So with seamless handoff to sales, they only send the sales team hot leads. This is where the segmentation and the lead scoring comes into play. And this is what happens once those two functions are completed. They only send hot leads off to the sales team. So the benefits of having this type of agent within your business, so it increases efficiency. It's available 24/7. It improves accuracy. It enhances your customer experience, and it's also cost saving. So just some bonus tips. So we have some industries that are leveraging this type of voice agents. So it would be the real estate niche. They are using this type of agent to identify serious buyers or sellers and connect them with the real estate agents. Then we have the e-com niche. This type of agent will be assisting shoppers in finding products and offering them personalized recommendations. Then we have SaaS and tech, which would be for qualifying B2B leads based on company size, pain points, and interest level. Then we have healthcare. This is where they will be screening patients' inquiries for appointment scheduling or insurance verification. So that's insurance verification is basically like your medical aid, typically. And then we have the education niche, something that's growing very quick, the online schooling space. So this will be for evaluating prospective students for programs based on their goals and qualifications. So that is the quick rundown on the lead qualification agent. Jumping on to the next one, which would be our lead cold caller. So I'm going to be making a video later down the line, probably within the next week or so, with regards to a sales cold caller. I'll go into more detail in that video, and I'll also show you guys how I build it out step by step. So again, this is built on an MPL, and it also has machine learning incorporated into it. It also has a memory function as well. So with these type of agents, you are able to update on a regular basis. So the core functions of having these type of cold caller agents. Number one would be to automate outreach, conversation simulation. It's able to speak like a human. It does lead qualification. It does data collection and integration to CRMs as well. It's dynamic. It's able to read scripts dynamically, and it's able to execute them as you tell it to. It's able to do appointment setting. It's able to handle objections. It also gives you analytics and reporting. So this is real-time data, and it also does follow-up management. I will go into more detail with regards to the follow-up management within the cold caller video that I'm going to be making. This video is just a quick overview as to the top 5 voice agents that are currently increasing productivity at the moment in the different sectors. So the core benefits of having an AI cold caller. Number one, it's the efficiency. It's really quick to it handles calls, a large amount of calls. It handles more tasks than a human can. It's cost effective, it's personalized, scalable, and data insights. This is where you get real-time analytics. So with having real-time analytics, this is where you are able to actually improve future campaigns based on past data. Scalability, this type of agent is available 24 hours of the day, 365 days a year, and it's available in all time zones, as well as it can speak multiple languages. So yeah, we have a bit of a table down here at the bottom with the different types of functions. Basically, this is where you can see who's better than who. So we got the feature, we've got the AI cold caller, we've got the human cold caller. So we have scalability. So on the scalability for the AI cold caller, the possibility is very high, as it can handle a whole lot of calls. It can handle thousands of calls. With regards to having a human cold caller, the size of the team being of calling a large amount of people is very limited to size and the availability of agents that you have. Consistency, uniform response and tone with the AI. With the human cold caller, you have, it varies typically on mood swings, training, and fatigue. So as humans, we do get tired, we do get moody, and sometimes we do have a bit of a knowledge gap. With an AI prompted correctly, there wouldn't be a knowledge gap. It doesn't get tired and it does not get moody as well. So with regards to costs, it's a one-time investment plus your maintenance, and then that's for the AI, and then for your voice, for your human cold callers, you will have a recurring salary and training cost, and then for the response time, we have an instant and 24/7 service. So they're available 24/7 and they are instantly activated. With regards to the human cold callers, we obviously work at a set amount of hours per day and then a set amount of hours per week. This is excluding overtime. And yeah, adaptability with regards to the AI cold caller, it learns from previous data. So every call it will learn from and it will better on to the next call. With regards to the human cold caller, it requires constant retraining, personalization. With regards to the AI cold caller, it's data driven and it does give you real time. It's personalized to real time. So if it's giving a lead a call, it will speak to you by your name. It will address you by your name. With regards to with regards to a human cold caller, it requires manual effort. So yeah, that is a quick comparison on the use case 2. Let's move on to use case 3, which is the personal assistant. This is something that I like and it's something that I use on a daily basis. So for me, all the functions that you are seeing on the screen, this is something that my personal assistant helps me with on a daily basis. It takes out tasks from my day that doesn't push my money needle, and it allows me to do that, to focus on things that will make money for my agency and provide value for clients and prospects as well. So use case 3 would be the personal assistant. So the core functions would be for task automation, it's voice recognition and interaction. So you're able to speak to it like you're speaking to a normal person. Obviously, it will be via a phone or a platform. You can retrieve information from it. You're able to do scheduling. It's able to do communication management. Literally, it's able to do whatever you can think of besides get you coffee. At this point in time, we are not that advanced. It cannot get you coffee unless you're Elon and you have a robot doing it for you as well. But yeah, so you're able to speak to it in different languages as well. And it's highly personalized to you as a person. So the benefits of having an AI-powered personal assistant, it's time-saving, it improves productivity. I can vouch for that. It does really improve productivity. It's convenient. It's available 24/7. It enhances personalization. It's cost-effective, but it does not cost that much to run. And it's able to do multiple tasks at one time. So just a bit of an example. So it's professional. It's able to schedule meetings, able to set reminders, and able to manage your work communications as well. On a personal level, you are able to organize household tasks, control smart home devices, and you are able to plan vacations. I've done this before. I have planned a weekend away, and the AI has done it for me, and it was really, really well planned out. The educational part of everything, it's able to assist you with research. It's you're able to manage study schedules if you are studying, or summarize academic context. So if you are someone that likes to read up on stuff or learn new things on a daily basis, you can actually take a recording of it and you can ask the AI to actually summarize this in for you as well. So if you are someone that loves going to gym, or you're just someone that likes to train, this AI is able to create personalized training routines for you as well. It's able to recommend wellness tips, and it's also able to remind you of meditations as well as track your exercise routines. So yeah, just a very quick one. I am running through this video quick. This is just a overview of future videos that are going to come, where I will be building out these type of systems for you, so you can see how I do it as well. So moving on to use case 4. This is particularly for the real estate niche, where we have the inbound caller for property valuation and questions. So normally you would have a human person answering the phone, giving you guys a estimated property valuation, and in this case we're going to be using an AI caller, inbound caller. So the purpose of having an AI inbound caller for property valuations and inquiries, this is to handle property valuation requirements, answer general property related questions, streamlines lead management, which is also a good one, answers customer experience, something that's very important to every business, and it also supports the real estate agent. So this kind of goes hand in hand with the lead qualification agent as well. So this is something, this tool is something that is very important in a lot of real estate agencies. We've implemented this tool into 5 agencies at the moment, and it's doing very well. And so we got the core functions. This also acts as a receptionist. It can either be a receptionist for a particular agent, a particular real estate agent, or it can be a receptionist for the agency on the whole. It's able to give you property evaluation estimates. It does train itself on data collection and qualification. It's able to handle the general FAQs. It's able to set appointments. It has integration to your CRM. It's available in multiple languages, and it also gives you real-time data and analytic reporting. Just something I want to touch on really quickly would be the property evaluation estimate. So there is a knowledge base that gets implemented into these type of agents, and these knowledge bases have estimated amounts of property sizes of a particular area, which has very specific amenities around it as well, and the type of property, the amount of bedrooms, etc., etc. So it gives you an estimated value of what properties to that same size were sold at before in future. So it will take an estimation from those type of properties compared to your property, and then give you an estimated value from that. So that is just a quick one. Like I said, I will go into more detail with that. And then we have the benefits of an AI-powered inbound caller for property valuation and inquiries. So why is this important to business? What is the benefits that agencies get out of it? So it's to improve efficiency, enhances customer experience. It's cost effective, accurate with evaluation and insights, lead qualification and conversions. It's available 24/7. Something I'm going to touch on again now. It's scalable, and it's data-driven decisions that it makes. So again, from the knowledge base with the data-driven decisions, it's scalable. It's able to make take multiple calls at one particular time, and it's available 24/7. So if somebody decides to sell the house at 2-3 o'clock in the morning, there are no humans available to speak to that person at that point in time. However, there is an AI agent that can do it, and they do this exactly the same job as what the human would have done. And in some cases, it's a lot better. And yeah, 24/7 availability. You will have leads consistently within your pipeline. And then, so there's just a bit of a thesis that I've come up with regarding this type of agent. So and AI-powered inbound caller for property valuation and inquiries. So these type of agents are managing businesses and customers' interactions by automating property valuation, qualifying leads, handling related inquiries. I do apologize for the way I'm speaking. My English is not Englishing at this point in time. And this increases the overall customer satisfaction, and it supports the real estate agents as well. So some agents don't feel too overwhelmed with too much leads coming in at one particular time. They are actually able to take breathers in between and actually get their mindset back into focuses. There are some agents that I've spoken to where they have a overwhelming feeling where they have so much leads coming through the pipeline and they're not able to get to each and every one of them at the particular time, and they actually only start speaking to certain people or certain leads that have come in about a week or two ago, and they only have time like a week or two later to actually speak to them. In that instance, there's a possibility that that lead is no longer interested or has already gone to somebody else, which is a competitor, or they decided to do it on their own. So this type of agents are very good for closing leads in a quicker space of time. So use case 5, this is the last use case that we're going to be going over as well. I do have a bit of a bonus for you guys as well, which I will be going over. So we got use case 5, which would be lead reactivation for voice agents. So these are mainly focused on companies who has database of leads that I haven't spoken to in a long time, and these leads have just gone dormant over the couple of days or a couple of weeks, a couple of months. Normally over a period of a couple of months. It's people that have shown interest in a particular product or service a couple of months ago, and they haven't heard back from the company, or the company just didn't have time or enough manpower to get back to everybody in a particular time period. So this is a type of agent that will do those reactivations for you again. So the purpose of a reactivation voice agent would be for on dormant leads. It optimizes lead conversion, it provides timely follow-ups, and it then nurtures the relationship as well. So the core functions of a lead reactivation voice agent: number 1, it's personalized outreach. Number 2, dynamic conversational script. So we give the agent a script and it will go directly by what we tell it, step by step. It's able to do promotional engagement, lead qualification and scoring. Once again, it does follow-ups. It's able to do data updates as well as enhance that data, as well as performance analytics. So again, real-time data is given. And then the benefits of having these type of agents within your business. So you have a higher conversion rate, you have a cost-effective re-engagement rate. So for some businesses, it can cost quite a penny to have old leads reactivated, depending on the way they do go about it. And so this one is just a more cost-effective way of doing that. So number 3, you will have improved lead retention, enhanced customer experience, time saving, actionable insights. So it's again real-time analytics, and then it's available around the clock, which is available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year with no downtime. There would be some downtime here and there. It will hardly be down. It will always be up and running. So the last one that I just want to go through, it's just a bonus. So some people will think this is an actual web chatbot. However, there is a major difference between a web chatbot and an autonomous chatbot. So I will get into detail with that one once I go over the video where I speak about the differences between your normal AI chatbot and your autonomous agents, which is what we were speaking about, which I'm going to give you guys a heads up of what it is now. So this is an autonomous agent for your website. So this is again available 24/7. So a lot of the AI solutions that I will speak about is 24/7. It's available 24/7, 365. There's no downtime at all. And that's something that my agency guarantees, that you literally have no downtime. So again, availability is 24/7. You are enhancing your customer experience. You're giving them a more personalized feel to your business. And then also it collects data as well as insights. And it obviously does the lead qualification for you as well. So there's a whole lot of things that comes into play with this type of autonomous agents. But I will be making a video on this one again shortly. It will either be on Wednesday or on Friday next week. where this video will be dropped on the differences between a normal chatbot or a generalized chatbot compared to autonomous agent. So yeah, so for this video, that is it for this video. And yeah, so if you like the video, please like and subscribe. It will really help the channel, and it will tell me as to which type of content I should be putting out for you guys to watch. And yeah, so something that I want you guys to remember, that AI is not going anywhere. It's not here to take over anybody's jobs. It's literally here to make life easier. 100% to make life easier. So yeah, with that being said, once again, please like and subscribe, and do share this with other people. And yeah, if you are looking to implement AI into your business, voice agents, or any type of AI solution that you are wanting to add into your business, please do book a meeting with me. The link will be down in the description. You can follow me on all my social media handles as well. And yeah, I look forward to chatting to you. As well, there is going to be a link in the description for you to book a one-on-one call with me, where I will go through as to how we'll be able to add AI into your business, and how it will be able to incorporate into your business. And that call is free of charge. So it will be between 30 minutes to an hour, where we'll just chat about how we can implement into your account.